Hello, how do you do your swing trading daily chart analysis of upward large cap stocks using long up to long swing trading strategy? You can use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart. We are going to use maximum daily chart and we are going to compare where the price is to where we want to buy, which is the support line that we highlighted in purple. I like to call it the uptrend line. And we are going to see how many we can do together, but I'm just to share with you how I do that analysis. And I have about 79 stocks or so there. So the first one is ADI. So ADI, well, yesterday the price went up, that's why it's green bar there, but it's far from the trend line. I'm going to move to the next one. So ADP, the price went up yesterday, but it's far from the trend line. We are not buying it. AFL, the price went up yesterday. A green bar just means the closing price is higher than the morning price, and the red bar means the closing price is lower than the morning price when the market's open. So AFL is far from the trend line. We are going to move to the next one, AJG. So AJG is far from the trend line. The price went up. The price went down yesterday. Red bar. AME. Anything that is highlighted on our portfolio means we purchased it already, we have not sold it. So we purchased it there, we have arrows. At the bottom of the bar means we bought it. At the top of the bar means we sold it. So we bought it and we have not sold it yet. We bought it and the price went down and it's going down close to the trend line, but it has not hit it yet. So that one is negative in the account. AMP is far from the trend line. APH is far from, it went below that trend line and start going up. It didn't touch base with this one. The next one is ATO. So ATO is far from the trend line. The next one is AZO. AZO is far from the trend line. The price went down yesterday. BKNG. So I'm just analyzing the chart, comparing it to where I want to buy. So BKNG touch base with the trend line and start going up, but I prefer not to. We have an uptrend line that'll be a good. Yesterday would have been a good entry there, and today will be a good entry as well if it's a green bar. My concern with it though is I don't know if this is going to be the new trend line or if at some point it will come down there. Let's see. It does not show me that it does a tall mountain. So, but yeah, I will think about that one, but I'm going to do something here. I'm going to mark a red to decide if I want to buy some share there, just in case it decided to go up from there. But if I bought it and it decided to come down here before reaching a new high, my exit point, which is a new high, then I'll be stuck in it. But it won't be the first time. I think this one I'll be stuck in it for a while. No, last year when I bought it, last time that I bought it, sold it the next day. So no, it has not pulled back on me after I purchased it just yet. It did it here, purchased it there, and it fell back and I had to stay in it until I sold it here. But anyway, yeah, that could be a possible buy today for me. BLK, but again, if it does not go up, it goes down, then I'll be stuck in it. BLK is far from the trend line. The trend line is the purple line at the bottom here. The price went down yesterday though. So BRO. You see how I'm doing it quickly and how I'm comparing what I want to buy to where the price is. BRK is far from where I want to buy. BX cross this trend line, pull back a little bit and start going up, but didn't touch base with this one, but it does a big mountain, so I just prefer not to buy it, but wait for that to pull back to that support line. KC. So KC is far from the trend line. Don't even know what is following. So let me see here. I will, okay, it pull back and start going up there. We have an up trend line here. This low is almost at the same as this one, but higher than this one. So yesterday could have been a possible buy for that. My concern though, okay, it does not show me that it does a big mountain, so I don't know if it's going to come down to here or not, but we could buy some for that as well. If you get stronger in it, it pull back instead of going up, we'll get stuck in it for a while. So I'm going to turn this red as well, because yesterday was a first green bar after a pullback. We have an uptrend there, but I don't know. Cats. So cats pull back to this trend line, but it does a tall mountain, so I'll prefer to buy somewhere here or here. So I'm not sure what is doing there at this point. Let's see. We do have an uptrend there as well, but I just don't know if this is tall enough. Let me see. Came here, came down here, so it touched base with it here, 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 and here. So this one went up and now it pulled back to this one. Okay, I will keep observing it. Okay, but interesting. So I have it in blue there. I'll keep it like that for now. CBRE. Do you see how some is kind of hard to decide? So it's far from the trend line. CL, I purchased it. Okay, let's see. Purchase it there, and the trend line was there, but I noticed that when it pulled back to this resistant line, it went up. When it pulled back again, I got in. So it turned out to be a red bar, but it's still wandering around that area. Okay, this is not going down. CMG, we purchased CMG as well. We purchased CMG here, and it pulled back on us, and it's still on the down trend there. Okay, see, we purchased it there, and it pulled back. Okay, so the next one is COR. Just like the one that I make red today on our chart, those are possibilities. COR is going up. We purchased it there, we sold it there. When it reached a new high, it pulled back and went back up, and yesterday, March 19, 2025, it reached a new high there. Okay, so we'll be waiting on it back there. Yeah, we'll be waiting on it to buy it again at the trend line. So the next one is COST. COST. Okay, it's not close to the trend line there yet. It passed the first one up. The next one is CRM. So CRM is far from the trend line. The price went up yesterday. The next one is CSL. CSL is not quite close to the trend line just yet. The next one is DECK. So is at the trend line, but is making lower lows. You see, those lows just keep going down. So we don't have any good confirmation that is going down here. We want to see higher lows, like the way I pointed out for another stock previously. So DOV. So DOV is far from the trend line. ECL is far from the trend line. EQIS is far from the trend line. Fast we purchased it, we have not sold it yet. We purchased it somewhere there, it pulled back on us and is still doing its thing, so it's negative in our account. FICO is far from the trend line. We purchased it there, it pulled back on us and we waited until it reached a new high here, we sold it. Pull back a little bit, reach a new high, pull back and start going up. So the next one is FICO. FICO, we purchased it then and it pulled back on us. So it didn't really reach this area and it's going up there. So those are the three here. So GD is the next one. We purchased it as well. We purchased it there, it pulled back on us, remain negative for a while in our account and start going up. So the next one is Google. First GD. So since GD, we bought it there and right now the price is at the price higher than what we pay for it. We'll be comparing where we want to sell it, which will be a new high. So where we want to sell it is the price is nowhere near there yet. So Google, that's how we do the analysis. So Google, we purchased it there and right now it seems to be lingering there. Okay, so the next one is GWW. We bought that one as well. We bought it there and right now is going back down to this area. So we can decide to buy some more if we want to, but now there because we are having lower lows here. You see this low is lower than this one. I'm comparing the bottom of the red bars, lower than this one. So and I don't know if it's going to continue. It's going up here, but I don't know if it's going to pull back lower. If it comes back down, we might decide to buy some more. I'm not sure, but at the moment it's negative in our account. ICE, we do not like to sell stock at a loss, therefore we like to carefully pick stocks that we can invest in long term, far from the trend line. That way if it becomes negative in our portfolio, we just let it be until it becomes positive again. IRM, we purchased it there and it pulled back on us to this trend line or so and start going up from there. It's making higher lows there. That yesterday could have been a purchase as well, or today if I want to buy some more of it. I think we bought it, it's like $20 difference a share. So right around this trend line there, but it could still try to turn around and come down. Do you see how he's doing it? He went up, pull back, went up, pull back. start going up. So but on here, let's see, I can make it red because I put a blue. That means I was thinking about buying some more if it pull back to the trend line, so I can buy some more today if I choose to, but will not sell it until it's well higher than the first price that we pay for it. ITM is pulling back to this trend line and has not reached it yet. We purchased it there, it pulled back on us for a while and went up and reached a new high, and we sold it. The arrow is there, and now it pulled back, so we are waiting on it to buy it back at that trend line. IT, so I'm going to put it in blue because it's close to the trend line but not quite yet. That way, if I don't have time to analyze the whole chart, the one that are blue, I will check them to see how they are doing. That's one way if you do not have the time to go through a whole chart analysis. The one that are getting close to where you want to buy them, when you have a little time, they will be the one you wanted to take a look at. So J I highlighted in blue on our chart as well because I'm waiting on it. It crossed this one but has not quite reached this one yet. Leave it like that for now. JPM. So JPM is far from the trend line. So let's move to the next one. KR. Do you see how quickly we are doing it? So when you have a job and you are trying to do swing trading, it's far from the trend line. On the side, that's how you can compare quickly the chart to where, if you will buy it or not. So that one, we bought it pulled back on us for a while and went back on, and we sold it there. So now we want to buy it here, and it's far from it. So the next one is LLY. LLY, we bought it, we have not sold it yet. So we bought it somewhere there and it pulled back on us, so has not gone back up yet, and it's far from this trend line, so no purchase today for it. So the next one is MA. MA is far from the trend line. The trend line will be this one, MANH. Okay, so this one touched base with that trend line and went down a little bit, and now it started going up. So I have the first higher low. This blue, this red there, the bottom of it is higher than this one, so that's good. And technically I like to wait for another higher low, like let it go up, pull back, compare that red to this one before I buy. But at this point today, I'll buy some of this, and it could still pull back on me, but I'm fine. I'll just get stuck in it for a while, but it is the lowest. Let's see here, the lowest trend line that we have there to buy at. So I will buy some and see what it's going to do from there. It might linger there for a while as well. You see what we want to buy? We can even try to compare how it behaved previously around that area, and you will see that it remained there for a while, you see it, before it start going up. But so that means it could give you multiple chances to buy, but I will just buy it where it is right now. But yeah, give you options not to jump in early. MAR is coming down to this trend line. Well, let's see. Okay, I'm having higher lows. I have one there, and then I have a green bar here. It's not quite close to it though. Let's see how it did it here. Even here, it didn't come really close to it. Only one bar shot out to it, and then it started going up from there. So this one, I will make it red to see if I want to buy some today. But again, it could just turn out to be too far from that trend line. Does that make sense? And might decide to keep pulling back to it. So it could be an early entry if I buy some share there. So one thing I could do is not buying the full amount that I would want to buy, like not buying the total number of shares, but buy some and wait to see if there will be a lower pullback, and going up from there I can buy some more. That'll be an option as well. MCK. So MCK is higher to the trend line. I purchased it there and I sold it there, so not too long ago. MKL. So MKL is far from the trend line. The next one is MLM. So MLM, we purchased it there and it's going up from there for the time being. But I think we purchased it there and it pulled back on us. When it reached this lower line, we bought it again. So I'm going to stop the analysis here, but just to share with you how I do my daily chart analysis quickly to compare where we want to buy to where the price is, or when we bought it, compare where the price is to where we want to sell it next, and go through it all very quickly. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, nenaso.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small, one share at a time. And once you customize the strategy you are using to go well with this, and you pick stocks to form a watch list that is well aligned with the strategy you are using, you can scale your profits. You can start increasing your profits by buying more share per trade, and increase your profit and grow your account from there, from the profit you are accumulating and from more money you are adding to your account, so that over time your profit from swing trading can pay for your lifestyle while your paycheck fund your swing trading account. For more of our swing trading videos, please check the playlist, and we have a playlist specifically for tips on how you can create your own watch list. Thank you so much for your time.